In this video, I'll show you how to remove a user profile in Microsoft Edge if you no longer need it. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner of the browser window, click the profile icon. It may display your initials or a small picture. When you click it, a panel opens showing the current profile and any other profiles set up on your device. If the profile you want to remove is not currently active, switch to it first. This helps ensure you're removing the correct one, especially if you have multiple profiles with similar names. Next, open the Profile menu again and look for Manage Profile Settings or the gear icon. This will take you to the Profiles Management page. Find the profile you want to delete and click the three dots next to it. Then choose Remove. A confirmation message will appear explaining that removing the profile deletes local data from this device, including browsing history, cookies, extensions, and settings tied to that profile. If the profile was signed in with a Microsoft account and sync was enabled, your synced data like favorites and passwords will still remain in your account and on other devices. Click Remove again to confirm. The profile will immediately be deleted from this device. If the remove option is unavailable, make sure the profile isn't currently open in another Edge window. Switch to a different profile or close open windows, then try again. That's it. Click the profile icon, manage profiles, select the three dots next to the one you don't need, and confirm removal to tidy up your Microsoft Edge profiles.